Oh hi! Welcome to another edition of Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Trains with Socrates. Today we're taking a look at my first tank car. I saw a tank car in Utrecht and I thought it looked really cool. I was on my way to a comedy show and I thought, take some pictures of it, maybe I can make it into a car. So this is my first tank car. There's three versions, one that has no stairs or dome, and you can print the top and the bottom come separately. I like to print the understructure and the tank in the same color. There's no stairs at all. It's also with a set of side stairs and a small ramp on the top. Again, the bottom. And the third is the closest thing to the actual car that I saw, which has stairs in the back and plates on the top. And they print in two parts and they snap together. So I print them first in the base color. In this case it's a silver or gray, and then the top in the red, and the bottom prints upside down with some supports. I use the default one from Simplicity 3D or Simplify 3D Slicer, and then with the color change you print the other part in whatever color you want. And the two of them for the most part should snap together. There's three different sizes bottoms, and the tops are also come in a regular and a wide, so between the three sides of the bottoms and the two sides of the tops you should be able to make it fit. I find also that the little cutting tool, I use a small one. This is like, there's a sort of a larger one normally, but I found the smaller ones that would seem to work better. And if you go along the outer edge of the top, you can see they're pretty tightly fit. They're not really supposed to come apart. But if you have an elephant foot, as they call it when you print, because it's too squashed to the bottom, you can have a little bit of width there. And with this tool, you can quietly scrap off just a little bit, and it'll help it fit as well. And the design basically for the micro trains couplers, the holes in the bottom will fit the pins. For me, usually they either fit either one of the two of them. I find, generally speaking, now as the prints got, my quality got better, the holes got a little bit bigger, because before, when I was printing it, I had issues with retraction, etc. But now it prints out pretty nicely. Like I say, it's in two different colors. You can add microtrains couplers to it. They work pretty well. Get them on Colts if you like. You print it up. It's designed for an FDM printer. I have the explanation of how to do the color change. I did it in another video as well. It's also in the description. Link is below. And print yourself up some tank cars. This is the first one in the series. All three are available together. Side steps, back steps, and nose steps. Thanks for watching. Happy rails. Success on the trains, or good luck in the future. No, wait. I'm sure I stopped editing this. Let me stop the video too. Hey.